and block ชับตึกดีมากชับบาลานซ์wait to see the timing more no rush to cheap
Take more time.
บึ้งตึงอะไร allow maybe 2 or 3 seconds ครับชับlike this
Or move a little more.
นิดหน่อยครับมุมนิดหน่อย for
Depends if you
like for you is like when you feel good balance like นิดหน่อย good balance for you up to you but when you just stop to see it's good balance also if you which one ใช่ which one good balance you can shoot is for your side shop if you wait to see it you can see my body is moving when my body moving like I punch I kick you know you have to watch on my body
before maybe you fake I lose already.
ใช่ช็อปตึงดีมาก sometimes if I not do anything you ก็